Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Glamming. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I make my rice water. I have been using the rice water for growth for a week now, and so I am making some more and thought it'd be a good opportunity for me to do a quick video on how I do my rice water. So if you're interested in seeing how I make my rice water, then stick around. So here I have in the bowl 2 cups of rinsed rice. It is just white rice. I rinsed it off really quick to get any of the impurities and anything that was on it. And then I'm going to add my water in. So for this 2 cups of rice, you'll need about 4 cups of water. This is a 1.5 quart bowl. So I'll fill it to about that level just to prevent any spills. And just stir it around a little bit. And I'll put my top on. And I am set to start the fermenting. So I will let this sit for 24 to 48 hours until that color gets a really thick, milky color. Okay guys, so here's my rice water. I just realized that I do not have a really small strainer, so my strainer, the rice will come through. Last time I just kind of, did it by hand and kept going back and forth until I got it right with not getting any rice into the water. So I'm going to use this today to kind of help. I'm going to pour off the water into a clean bowl. And so once I get to the point where, it's mostly just rice, then I'll pour through that. Then I'll kind of put this on it, see if I can get out. Just gotta be careful not to tip it too much. And from the looks of it, it is pretty dry of the rice. Just gonna rinse this off. And as you can see, that is your rice water. So this is where all those good vitamins and minerals are that we are going to use. So this is what we want. So last time this was my spray bottle. And as you can see, I did have some orange peels in there, but I'm gonna do it a little different this time. I did order some sweet orange oil. I think it will just be cleaner and easier if I use the sweet orange oil instead of using the orange peelings. The orange peelings worked really well, surprisingly. I was very surprised at how well that worked. So if you wanna see me mix this up and get my concoction together, stick around for how I do my rice water. Okay, sorry to keep switching bowls, but this bowl has a pouring spout. So I'm going to pour my rice water into this clean bowl. And then what I am going to do first, I have my bottle here, my spray bottle, and it is a little bit crooked just because the pressure of spraying it. I'm going to pour in my rice water. And I'm gonna fill it to about there. So I have enough room for some essential oils. Now I do have quite a bit left. So what I'm going to spray a little bit out. What I plan on using this for is I am about to wash my daughter's hair. So we are going to do just a rice water rinse for her hair today. So, and then I'll save some aside for my wash day tomorrow to do of rice water rinse. So I have my water here, my rice water here. First thing I'm going to put in is some EVOO, some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to pour that in. Pour about there. And you just kind of play this by ear. Essential oil, that oil is great for the scalp and it's just great for the health of your hair. But these other oils are going to be also great for your scalp, but to give it a, mask that rice water smell. So I'm going to add in some tea tree oil. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link below. I actually love these essential oils. I have a ton of this brand essential oils and they are so freaking good. I love this. This is one of my favorites to use in the house. Going off on a tangent, but thought I'd tell you this. Signature Zen. Love this in the house. Okay, so I'm going to add in some tea tree oil. This will be really good for your scalp, penetrating to the scalp and just healthy for your scalp. So that's a good amount. And then I'm going to add in some sweet orange oil. Last but not least, the sweet orange oil is what is going to get that lovely scent. So I'm going to add in probably about 15 drops. That was like 16, 17. Okay, so I got all of that in. I'm going to put in my sprayer, and then I'm going to screw that on and just shake it. And it is ready to be sprayed. Now what I like to do is I like to smell it. So give it that old smell test. Now I think that smells a little more tea tree-ish than I like. So add in a little more sweet orange. Depending on, to your liking. If it's fine that it's tea tree smelling, then leave it as is. But, if you want to add in some more, will not hurt it. All right. Once it is on tight, spray that up. And then it is ready to be sprayed and ready to start using. Now, for this, because it has oils in it, I recommend shaking this up for every use. So before you get ready to use it, give it a good shake to mix those oils in that water and then go through and you spray it on your scalp. So I like to spray this through my crochet braids. So it's a good leave-in conditioner. I've been doing it every day and just seeing what it does for my hair with my protective styling. So that is the end of this video, and the leftover rice, you can discard that. If you guys have any questions or want to know how it's working out for me using rice water, please leave the comments below, and I would love to hear your feedback. If you've used rice water, let me know how it worked for you. Let me know your thoughts, comments, concerns, questions. I'm here. Thank you guys for watching, and ready for the next video.